I'm very excited to be here because it's an opportunity, because it's a mother-daughter event today. It's an opportunity for me to get my mother over here from Delhi and to support a cause that we both believe in, which is something that is backed by Clinic Plus and by Plan India, which is rural education for the girl child. So that's something that we've been involved with in various capacities with various organizations over the past 10 years for me. So we're very excited. It's something we believe in, as I said, and when it comes to education, I can certainly say that no stone was left unturned in terms of my ambitions, the universities I wanted to go to, the courses I wanted to study, even if it was history, which doesn't really lead to any particular job unless you want to teach history. But still, my parents helped me and supported me and financed my education. When I wanted to do my master's after that, they were fully behind me. There was no distinction made between my brother or my education. So I feel that if we can reach out to other mothers, and we know that through mothers, values are passed down through families. So if we can appeal to other mothers, and especially in rural areas through Plan International and Plan India, helping, I think, especially young girls not drop out of school between the standards of 7 and 10 and up to 12. There tends to be a lot of dropouts. So if we encourage them not to do that and to create alternative sources of income for the parents such that they don't have to take their children out of school to work for them or to help support the family.
If the woman herself is educated, like we valued our daughter's education because I value education. And my mother she valued her education. She she wanted to do her English honors, but she had to do it privately because her mama, she had lost her mother. If her mother had been alive, it would have been different. But she didn't have a mother, and her mama didn't allow her to go to the co-ed. She was not allowed to go to a co-ed, so she had to do her MA privately. But she did her MA in English those days. So we have always valued education.